Hello everyone, I welcome you all. Today, in structural shapes, we see for hollow structural sections. Uh, the shortly we are writing as just steel, and commonly we are calling as tube steel, box section, and structural tubing. These hollow structural sections manufactured by the two processes. First one is seamless tubing production, and another one is a electric resistance welding. Uh, First, we see the two definitions. Seamless means without any welded joints, and billet is a word. Billet means is a semi-finished solid piece of metal. So, in seamless tubing production, the solid billet is elongated into to a hollow tube by using the heat applications. In the another method, the another method is electric resistance welding. In this method, the flat plates or rolled coils are formed are cold formed by rollers into round, square, or rectangular tubing, and these formed shape then longitudinally get welded by using the electric resistance welding process. Cold form means uh, the process we are working on the steel at or near the room temperature. These hollow structural sections are shapes we are having in three types. First one is a square, another one is rectangular, and third one is round shape. For designating these HSS shapes, we have standard format, just like HSS 2 1/2 quarter inch. So 2 1/2 will or the nominal sides of the square, and last one is a nominal thickness. This is for rectangular section. I am denoting by HSS 9 by 5 by 3 by 16. 3 by 16 it is the nominal thickness, and this 9 and 5 are the this is the longer side of tube, and this is the shorter side of tube. Third one is the round HSS for denoting right round HSS. For example, HSS 10.750 into 0.3750. So 0.375 it is a nominal wall thickness, and 10.750 is a nominal outer diameter of the this round HSS. Preferred grade for this HSS steel is A500 grade C. These HSS tubes are widely used as a column, brace, beam, and as a aesthetic steel. Aesthetic steel means in steel construction, few members inside the building are exposed to view. The next structural shape is pipe. Pipe we have in a round form. So for designating the pipe, we have standard format like pipe. Just for example, pipe 8 is standard pipe 8x. XS means the extra strong, and pipe 8 double X means the double extra strong. So just see the difference, extra strong and double extra strong. The, for the same 8 is the nominal outer diameter, and with this standard extra strong and double extra strong, the thickness is getting varied. I'm just showing for the difference. The right standard designation we need to write like this only: pipe 8 extra strong, pipe 8 double extra strong. So as shown in figure, this is the nominal thickness, and here first letter is 8. This is the nominal outer diameter. This is, and this one the letter as per the standard extra strong or double extra strong. Preferred grade for the pipe is A53 grade B. Uh, these are the preferred grade, but we need to follow the as per project specification. These structural pipes are widely used in handrails, as a signpost, column, and for aesthetic as a aesthetic steel also. So this is general information I gave regarding this hollow structural section and structural pipes. Please put your thoughts in comment section.